Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of our 300 watt industrial grade high bay that supports 480 volt. We find these are used in lots of industrial, large facilities where they have extreme environments. It's 300 watt, but it puts out over 45,000 lumens, so it's great for where you're replacing a 1,000 watt metal halide. The fixture also comes, this 300 watt, also comes in a 277 volt version also. And then there are also lower wattages. What size? But tempered glass lens. You can get the optic, but again, we found in industrial environments, you want the tempered glass because it allows it to withstand, higher heat and just very extreme, dusty, wet environments. This is the high voltage version. Again, it comes with a standard eye hook mount. There's also a pendant or a surface mount option for it. You can get optics for it if you're really mounted up very high in 60 or 90 degree. Comes with a 5-foot whip. It is also dimmable like all of our fixtures are, but just a great all-around fixture. We have thousands of these out there. We've received great feedback from our customers. They really work well in those extreme environments. So give one of our sales specialists a call today. They can help recommend either this solution or another one of our high voltage solutions, and they can also run a lighting plan for you if that's needed. So give them a call and have a great day. Thank you.